Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. Thanks for listening today.
Hey, it's great to be here.
Me too. Hang on one second. Sorry.
Is everything okay over there? I hear a lot of rustling.
Yeah, sorry about that. No, Bear. I am finding my pen. I had it right here.
Wait, hold on. You're finding your pen.
Yeah, I can't see it anywhere. I'm checking my papers.
Yeah.
I'm finding it.
Okay. I think I see what's happening. You're not finding it right now.
I'm not, but I need it. That's my goal.
I know, but finding isn't the action. The action you're doing right now is there.
You're looking for it.
Oh, okay. Right. Looking
Yeah.
for it. But, isn't that sort of the same thing?
Not quite. Find is the result. It's the finish line. Since you don't have the pen yet, you can't be finding it. Finding it's like a flash. It happens in a second.
A flash.
Like a camera.
Exactly like a camera flash. You can't flash a camera for 5 minutes, right?
No, that would be weird.
You look for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Then click. You find it.
That actually really helps, the camera flash. Okay, so I'm looking for my pen. Hang on, let me check my jacket pocket. I am searching my pocket.
Whoa. Searching. You're searching your pocket.
Yes, I am, feeling all around inside it.
Is your pocket a huge house? Or maybe a crime scene?
What? That was just a normal pocket.
Search just sounds so serious, so official. Like police are searching a building. It's a little dramatic for a pen, don't you think?
I guess when you say it like that, it does sound pretty intense.
You're not a detective. You're just, trying to get your pen.
I am just trying to get the pen. Here it is. It was under my notebook. I found it.
See? You found it. You just used it perfectly.
It did, and it felt good. It was instant, just like you said.
That is actually the perfect way to get into our topic today.
It is.
Yes. We're going to talk about those 3 words: look for, search, and find. They confuse so many people.
I can see why. It feels like they should all mean the same thing.
Exactly. And in a lot of other languages, it's just one word for all 3. But if we get into it, it tells you a lot about effort and results.
Okay, I like that. So where do we start? With the detective word.
Let's start with search. The detective word? It makes me think of movies.
What kind of movies?
You know those police shows?
Yeah.
A detective walks into a room, the music is all tense.
I can see it now. He's wearing a long coat.
Right. And he turns to his partner and says, "We need to search this room."
And that means they're not just glancing around.
No way.
Mm.
Search means you are checking everywhere. Carefully. Under the rug, behind the paintings. It's a really serious effort.
So I am not a detective. I'm just a normal person.
Exactly. And look for is what normal people do in their daily lives.
So look for is just trying.
It's the feeling of trying to see something. It's much more casual.
And then find is the happy ending.
It's the happy ending. Find is the success moment. You have it now.
So look for is the journey.
And find is the destination. You've got it.
That makes so much sense. And we use this all the time, right?
All the time. Just think about a normal morning.
Oh, my morning routine is chaos. Absolute chaos.
Perfect. Tell me about it.
Okay, well, I'm usually running late. So first thing, I'm looking for my socks.
Looking for them. The process. You're moving around.
Yes. One is always missing. And after that, I'm looking for coffee.
Did you find them?
Yes, I found my socks under the bed.
And the coffee.
And I found the coffee in the back of the cupboard. So, yeah, success.
See? You were looking, then you found. You didn't say, "I searched for my socks."
No, that would sound ridiculous. Like I called a special team to my bedroom.
Exactly. But there is one place where we all use search every day.
Oh. Where is that?
The internet.
Ah, yes. We always say search the internet or search online.
Right. And that makes sense because the internet is huge. It's like a giant library where all the books are on the floor.
So it's a big, serious place. You have to make a serious effort to check it.
The computer makes a serious effort. It searches that huge place to find an answer for you.
That makes sense. What about something like getting a job?
Good one.
Yeah.
Let's say our friend Sarah is looking for a job.
Okay. She's just trying. She's sending emails, maybe looking at websites.
Right. It's a process. And then one day she calls you. She's super excited.
And she says, I found a new job.
Success. The result. The looking is over.
This also works for, like, when you're hungry, right?
How so?
If you're in a new city, you'd say, we are looking for a place to eat.
You're walking around, reading menus.
It's the process. And then you see a great burger place. We found a burger place. The looking stops and the eating begins.
I think the feeling, your stress level is really important too. I actually have a story about that.
No, a personal story. Let's hear it.
Okay, so a while back, I lost my house keys.
Oh no, that's the worst feeling. Instant panic.
It is. So at first, I was just, looking for them. It was casual.
Phase 1, the casual look.
Yeah, I thought, where are they? I looked on the table, in the kitchen. No big deal.
But they weren't there.
They were not there. And the feeling changed. I started to get worried.
Uh-oh.
So I stopped just looking, and I started searching the whole house.
Ah, so you went into detective mode.
I totally did. It got serious. I was searching the sofa, taking all the cushions off. I was searching my bag, taking everything out. Real effort.
So the panic level went up and the word changed to search.
Exactly. It was a full-on investigation. And then finally,
You found them.
I found them.
Where were they? Please don't say in the door.
Worse, I found them in the fridge.
The fridge.
In the fridge, next to the milk.
Never mind. But the point is, the relief when you finally said, I found them.
Oh, the relief was amazing. The panic just vanished. It
Yep.
shows the whole journey. Looking, then searching, then finding.
That's a great story. It really clarifies the vibe of the words.
It really is all about the vibe. So let's do a quick review of that.
Good idea. So look for,
Look for is your everyday trying. It's the journey.
like, I'm looking for my phone. And you have search.
Search is serious. It's deep effort. The police search a house or you search the internet, you're checking a whole place carefully.
And find.
Find is the prize, the result, the camera flash moment when you have the thing.
Got it. And the one big mistake to avoid.
Don't say I find my keys when you're still walking around.
Right. You're looking for them. Find is only for when you actually have them.
It's the victory moment.
Perfect. So before we wrap up, a question for everyone listening.
Oh, wait,
What are you looking for right now?
that's a good one. Are you looking for motivation
Or maybe you're just looking for a snack.
or your keys? You should probably check the fridge, just in case.
Whatever you're looking for.
We hope you find it.
Thanks for listening.
If you'd like more episodes like this,
You can subscribe to the channel. See you next time.